Hello, hello, hello. It is February 1st. It is raining in the desert. Sorry, I just thought about making this post while I was smoking cigarettes, so we're going to do both. So, someone asked me, what do you do? Don't you get bored? I mean, I can always find shit to do because if you look... Oh, fuck. There's no light, damn it. Alright, well, you see all that? That's a hot fucking mess back there. So, sorry, poor lighting. Trying to fit 5 pounds of shit in a 2-pound bag. And there's more outside. And then, what do we do when it's raining all day? I'll tell you. Bella can best just show this. We curl up in bed and fuck around all day, don't we, Bella? Yeah. So I've started watching 1,000 Pound Sisters. Thank you, Lorraine, for that suggestion. So, anyways, there's nothing to see out there. It's gonna be raining for another hour and a half. It's been raining for about 10 hours already. And I will tell you, trying to take a piss and poop in the rain while the rain's pouring down on you, it's not fun. I'm blowing it out the window. So, yeah. But still, I love this life. And on Wednesday, I'll officially be in courtside a month. And on Sunday, so this Sunday, I'll be considered full-time a month. And, yeah, I'm learning. So, it's a bit chilly because it's raining. But, I'm going to post this on YouTube and see how it goes. Maybe you guys will watch this video. If you have any questions, holla. No. But anyways, I still, even with the rain, wouldn't trade it for the world. But each morning and each evening I see the sunsets. I thank God, because I'm just a dumb girl from Kansas, and those are amazing. Seeing the mountains. And just in case you are wondering, I'm crouched over like this because I can't fully sit up in bed. This thing is not tall enough. See, can't do it. So, if I want to take a drink back here, like take a sip of water, I gotta lean back and but I'm doing it. I'll probably be in the back of the truck for a while because, oh shit, it's cold. My goal is to save $7,000 this first year on the road because fuck, couple reasons. One, I need a financial cushion for when there's problems with the truck, which is now my home. And two, well, we'll see about two. I won't say about two yet. We'll see. And then I'm already starting to think about what I'm going to do in 2025. Of course, you know, when that gets closer, I'm always up to changing that. So there's that. I'm probably going to stay in courtside another month. Dad's flying down Wednesday. I got to drive to Las Vegas from here to pick him up. So, and he's going to stay a month with me down here. So, yeah. I'm just gonna kind of stay put wherever I'm at until it's time to move to the next place. But there's this place off of Highway 40 in the northern part of Arizona that I'm thinking about going to. And sorry about that, we gotta share the bed. I get my light. You can tell scary stories in the dark. Anyways, so right now it's been like anywhere between the upper 60s and upper 70s for the high, so I'm kind of like experiencing like a late Kansas spring here. But if I go to my next spot, I hear coyotes. If I go to my next spot where I'm thinking about going, it's about 6,500 feet in elevation, a little bit more than that. And so I'll be experiencing like a second winter. So I'll be spending some cool nights. But oh shit. Excuse me. Yeah. Oh, I can see the in front of my face. So there's that. Yeah, I'm with a pretty good group of people, and we're all probably going to like leave this area mid-March. Everybody's got different plans. Jim's got some appointments in Louisiana, doctor's appointments, and Vicky is going to visit his son at Prague, so she's going to take her RV to her sister's house. And then Phaedra is going to go elsewhere in Arizona. She found a place where she can stay for a year for like $300. And so, anyway, she likes it.